If vibration is not working in your Samsung device, then in this video I'll tell you a method by which you can fix this issue. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down. And right here you can see sounds and vibration. Tap on that, and from here make sure to select either vibrate or sound. Once you have selected that, make sure to enable this toggle of vibrate while ringing, like this. After that, scroll down and tap on call vibration. And if it is on silent, make sure to select medium, basic call or any other one. Once you have done that, simply go back and tap on system vibration. Make sure to enable all the toggles from here and go back. After that, tap on vibration intensity, and if it is set to the lowest, make sure to increase it like this. After that, go back once again, and if the issue is coming from one specific application, then scroll down and tap on apps. Let's say vibration of WhatsApp is not working. Simply find the application right here of which you are facing the issue. Simply scroll down and tap on the application you are facing the issue. After that, go to notifications and make sure to enable this toggle of allow notifications. And after that, make sure sounds and vibration is turned on, like so. However, if the issue still remains, then you can try restarting your device. To restart, simply swipe down from the top right corner to open this control panel and tap on this power icon right here and tap on restart and tap on restart once again, and your device will be restarted. However, if the issue still remains even after restarting, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Make sure to visit any Samsung service center to get it fixed. Once you have tried all these methods, simply go back and go back once again. To verify if the issue is from the hardware side, simply go back once again and go to device care. Then scroll down and tap on diagnostics. Tap on phone diagnostics. Then scroll down, and right here you can see vibration. You can test the vibration from here, and if it is not working, then it is 100% a hardware issue. Tap on vibration like so and tap on vibrate, and I can feel that my device is vibrating right now. However, if your device is not vibrating, then the issue is 100% from the hardware side. You will need to visit any Samsung service center to get it fixed. So that's how you can fix vibration issue on any Samsung device. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.